Welcome to Morganable, where we serve you with authentic news, stories, documentaries, updates, and modern-style insights on our society and the larger world, and more importantly, about places that fall under the radar of the mainstream media machinery. We invite you to embark on this exciting journey of enlightenment with us. Morganable, your vehicle of enlightenment.
The Efon-Alaaye community, Ekiti State, has honored distinguished indigenes at the 2026 Hall of Fame and Roll of Honor Investiture, recognizing their contributions to human capital and community development. The ceremony featured award presentations, inductions, and special recognitions. Chairman of the Planning Committee, Chief Jacob Oke, said the initiative celebrates excellence, promotes unity, and encourages service to the community.
One of the activities of the present Kabiyesi of this kingdom in promoting excellence and creating a platform through which people can develop and help others to grow.
Traditional ruler Oba Efon-Alaaye congratulated the awardees and urged residents to work together for the town's development.
All our sons and daughters to move in peace and to progress and to get together for the development of this town.
Recipients include Commissioner for Women Affairs Peju Babafemi, former Vice Chancellor of Afebabalola University at Ekiti, Professor Michael Ajijafe, former Ekiti State Broadcasting Service Board Chairman Chief Ronke Odusoya, Pastor Richard Adejuigbe, and President of the Ekiti State Customary Court of Appeal, Justice Munisola Abodunde. Awardees described the honor as a call to greater service, while families of posthumous recipients commended the recognition.
My community, the Efon-Alaaye Kingdom community, recognizes service, and this is a call to more service to the community and to the state. So I'm highly honored.
It is a challenge to do more for my community. Today I was more inspired because even those that have passed on, they were given posthumous award.
Thank God for this honor bestowed on my dad. Thank God for today, and I thank God that I'm alive to witness this occasion.
It's a fantastic honor to be inducted, for him to be inducted posthumously into the Efon-Alaaye Hall of Fame. His contribution to the state, especially to the local government, I'm proud that I've finally been recognized.
I'm always proud to be a daughter of this big city of Efon-Alaaye, because it's a city that is so peaceful. It's a city that gives you honor.
It's very interesting and unique.
This is a significant milestone in the life of any man, so recognized by his community. It's something that is so fulfilling.
Yes, award, it means more responsibility. It's an honor to be considered for this award.
Opportunities, use it. You don't know what to do in the future. One is thanking God that he has not passed through the stage without making any man. And those people who came out and honored us today, I've seen one thing or the other.
As a fulfillment of my born ambition, I fully recognize the positive thing.
I'm very, very happy in the sense that my husband is not forgotten in Efon-Alaaye.
I was in this community for quite some time. I never expect any recognition, but here recognition has come. So I just want to appeal to others to serve without looking back, serve without expecting results. I pray that some of our youth will be inspired by this.
It's enough for us, the younger generation that are growing now, that we have to, in the first instance, behave well, think of the growth and development of this kingdom, and let the interest of the community be paramount.
The event also featured cultural displays as participants reaffirmed commitment to the development of Efon-Alaaye, Ekiti State.
Thanks for watching us today and for joining us on our journey of enlightenment. Morganable, the vehicle of enlightenment.